Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody, this is Dan here over at 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are taking a look at a product that is made by Baseus. Now, this kit package in front of me that I have with these 5 products, this is as I would call the ultimate elite travel needs for everyone who happens to go from home to office to business to travel, whatever you're keeping in mind when it comes to being a minimalist, but providing you the best essentials of performance, robust experience, and giving you that reliability, dependability, and being able to be versatile. So first off, let me introduce you to some of these products that are right here. We're gonna dive right in, but I'm gonna go ahead and name some of these off. So we've got the CJ11, we have the CJ21, we also have the GR11, we have the 6-in-1 multi-adapter plug, and last but not least, we have the CR11. So let's go ahead and get you in for a closer look. Stay tuned. So here we have the CJ11 charger. Now with this particular unit here, this is a fast charger rated at 67 watts. Now this thing is also equipped with a AI smart sensor that is designed to protect your devices from overheating when it comes to heat disposition. And it's also going to give you that peace of mind when using the magnetic storage with the retractable charger here. So as we can see, real simple, easy design. They self-lock that goes into place. Again, designed for the minimalist, protecting your devices. So we've got the retractable Type-C with 2 Type-C plugs. This thing is capable of charging a MacBook 14. That thing is awesome to kind of give you the best idea as far as versatility. So highly encourage to recommend this particular product because it is going to give you the best experience. So for those of you, again, that are looking to be the minimalist idea and keeping the cords compact and being able to provide yourself kind of a cleanlier organization standard, this thing is hands down awesome. Now I'm going to show you guys the CJ21. So here we have the CJ21. As you're going to notice right off of the bat, we've got a dual Type-C charging port with a single Type-C charge plug on there. Now, one thing to notate is that with this retractable power cord that we got here, this is 31.5 inches long, which gives you plenty of length to be able to have that compact nature, but yet still have that durability to give you the peace of mind of what you guys need to charge. So whether you're charging components such as, like, we've got controllers to game systems to computers. So as you can see here, even with the switch, we've got all the necessary capability to solve all the travel needs from home to office. Now, one thing that I do want to point out also with this particular plug that I personally like as well, including the CJ11, is the folding plug. I absolutely love this feature. So hands down, the simplicity, the ergonomics, the design, this is by far the best purchase I've made from my experience of minimizing and eliminating and cutting cords, because it's all compact into this one unit. So here we have the Baseus Energeek GR11, the 20,000 milliamp 145 watt fast charge power supply, ultra power bank. This thing is phenomenal. It gives you the weight less than an energy drink. It also has a compact design that's capable of fitting in your pocket with the same equipped technology that they've developed for their retractable power. This thing is absolutely sweet, giving you that peace of mind, again, for storage and minimizing your cable wiring. We have 2 Type-Cs on the top for the plug charging, including the Type-A. And you also get a 1.2 inch display that is going to give you the battery reading for the percent. It's also going to show you the discharge, and it's going to show you the input-output capacity. So, and on top of that, when you have this thing plugged in, you could use this as your charging cable. So you can plug this into a power supply and it acts as a dual power, dual purpose. So not only will it charge your devices, it will also use this to charge the actual bank itself, which is pretty sweet. So I love the type of technology that is in that. It is also equipped with an AI sensor. So as we would call the triple loop smart cooling and TUV certified durability. Now again, the AI driven power is designed to keep your temperatures low, and the cable is going to survive 30,000 bends and retractions. They have that same durability across all of their retractable products. These guys are absolutely phenomenal. Now when it comes to the performance of this, you're going to be able to get a MacBook Pro up to 43% additional battery life on your computer. So when it comes to the design of this thing, hands down, these guys made a phenomenal product. Guys, if you have not gotten this device yet, this is the Baseus, the Enercore CG11. Now, if you are a world traveler, you have got to get one of these. It is a 70-watt fast charger device. This thing is capable of handling multiple different variety power inputs. So we have everything from the EU to USA to Australia and the UK. With the simple slide of a switch, you guys are capable of plugging into a variety of different countries. And again, this is over 200 locations. And best of all, you still get an auxiliary power output plus your retractable Type-C cord to give you that nice storage capacity, keeping your minimalist and travel needs to a minimum, but giving you everything you need. So hands down, this is probably going to be one of my favorites out of this entire bunch, because this right here has the most value if you travel. So one simple device to cover it all. So if you're looking to get the best, this guy right here. So, and as you can see, we've got a few different USBs down here on the bottom. We got our Type-C and we got our Type-A. You got to give this thing a try, guys. Hands down, this is probably going to be my personal favorite. Best of all, it is stable and a safe plug structure with a built-in dual 10 amp fuse provided for overload and short circuit protection to keep your devices safe. Last up, this is going to be one of the hottest travel companions you guys can get. This is the Baseus Enercore CR11. Now this is airline approved travel when it comes to your needs for powering your devices. Again, if you're looking for a robust, minimalist as far as for the cords, keeping everything nice tucked away with the same retractable power cord technology, including the magnetic holding strip. Plus, this is a 3-in-1. So not only do you have the retractable cord, so you also have an auxiliary Type-C output as well as an input. And one of the things I also like about it is this nice, vibrant, ergonomical display, giving you that battery life. Simple one-button touch operation with the 67-watt rapid charger. Hands down, this thing is going to solve and keep to a minimum of your travel needs in a great, awesome package. All right, guys, you got to power your needs with the Baseus Enercore battery banks, power supplies, their whole lineup. So I tell you what, minimize the amount of wiring, keep your life simple, cut the wire. So as you can see right here on my side desk, we've got a lot of components. We've got everything from the computer to the tablets to the iPad. We've got video equipment right here. We've got the gaming systems, including the batteries. So all this we got plugged in. Let's go ahead and move it away. One component, two components. We've got three. Put that aside there. Again, I switched to the Baseus product because not only do they make a fantastic product, but I was able to cut and remove all the clutter and cord components that store my devices and keep my devices charged. These guys are awesome. Simple design, compact, effective and you get a lot of performance. You get that reliability and dependability. You got to try this for yourself, guys. You're absolutely going to love it. I guarantee you're not going to be disappointed, and you're going to want to get more of their product because I absolutely love it. Try it out for yourself. This is Dan here at 2D2 Productions.